Greetings, dear colleagues. I'm Prof. Dr. Abbas Fadhil Hasson, a member of the research teamwork and a representative of the University of Babylon, Iraq, and also the Director of Quality Assurance and Academic Performance. Our paper is titled University of Babylon Performance in Setting and Infrastructures Indicator through UI GreenMetric 2017 to 2020, a comparative study. The University of Babylon is committed in accordance with its vision, mission, and objectives to creating a green environment for students, faculties, and administrative staff. It's also committed to adopting sustainable development goals by improving curricula that comply with the requirements of the 21st century and the fourth industrial revolutions in order to achieve educational outcomes capable of solving the problems of the labor markets and society and meeting their requirements. In recent years, our university has sought to participate in most of the important international rankings with different orientations according to its quantitative and qualitative criteria, including UI GreenMetric, which is concerned with the green environments and sustainable development. The objectives of the study include: the first one, identify the university's performance in the field of green environment and sustainable development. Determine the standards by which the university obtained good scores for its enhancements or poor scores for its treatments. The last one, to formulate a roadmap to improve the university's continuous performance in this criterion in addition to the other ranking criteria. The method of work included 3 stages. The first stage includes the formation of the main and supportive teamwork to study the criteria, indicators, and sub-indicators of UI GreenMetric, and then collecting data, documents, evidences, and photos from all departments of the universities. And the drone was also used to take photos of the huge areas covered with forest vegetation and planted vegetation. The second stage includes holding workshops, meetings, seminars, and lectures, traditional and virtual, on the importance of international ranking and universities program in improving the educational environment and raising the university's reputation locally and globally. The last stage includes organizing and arranging data according to ranking standards and indicators and building database with a UI GreenMetric. This table shows the university's Iraqi and international ranking in 2017 until 2020. See, the university ranked second in Iraq for the years 2017 and 2018, and the first Iraqi for the years 2019 and 2020, while the university global ranking was 256, 173, 163, and 128 respectively. Note the continuous progress of our university in its ranking nationally and globally. Figure 1 shows a continuous and ascending improvement in the overall scores of the percentage rate of each major criterion from 2017 to 2020 with some exceptions. Figure 2 shows the average of the first standards, which includes 6 indicators for the last 3 years, as provided by the rating agency as follows: 57.50, 63.20, and 72.70 respectively. This picture shows the areas of main campus. The small area on the right side is occupied, while the larger area on the left side is covered with forest vegetation and planted vegetation. This is a sketch map shows the total main campus. The red area is occupied, while the blue area is covered with forest vegetation and planted vegetation. This is a sketch map shows the total building area, which is occupied in reality by 12 colleges at the main campus. This picture shows the total main campus. Look, the white areas are covered in forest vegetation. This is a sketch map shows the total area on campus, occupied and non-occupied areas. The green areas are covered in planted vegetation. This picture shows the total area of the occupied campus covered in planted vegetation. We also can see the areas of water absorbance in brown. The table on the right side describes the total areas of the university in meters square, including the total areas occupied and other covered by the forest vegetation and planted vegetation. This picture shows the total area of the occupied campus covered in planted vegetation. We also can see the areas of water absorbance in brown. The table on the right side describes the total areas of the university in meters squared, including the total areas occupied and other covered by the forest and the paper can be concluded as follows. The first one, the university has a strategic plan that deals with a clean, safety, and the green environment and the sustainable development goals of the United Nations. The second, the university has policies and procedures that are consistent with the goals of the sustainable development and a green environment. The third, the university focuses on participating in important international ranking related to the green environment and sustainable developments. The last one, despite the difficult economic situation as well as corona pandemic, the university has accomplished a good progress in the UI GreenMetric Ranking and others. Thank you for your listening.